In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain using Hubspot's DNS settings. This may sound a bit technical, but don't worry. I'll guide you through each step in a simple, easy to follow way. By the end of this tutorial, your domain will be seamlessly connected to HubSpot, allowing you to fully utilize HubSpot's tools for your business. Start by opening your browser and going to hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to explore. HubSpot offers a wide range of tools and resources for businesses of all sizes. At the top right corner of the page, you'll see the login button. Click on it and enter your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up before proceeding. Once you've logged in, you'll arrive at your HubSpot home dashboard, the central place where you can access all your tools and manage your data. From here, look for the settings button, typically found in the top navigation bar or under your profile icon. Click on it to continue. Inside settings, find the content section. This area is important because it contains all the tools related to your website and content management. Click on content and then look for domains and URLs. This section is where you'll connect and manage your website domains. On the domains and URLs page, you'll see any domains you may have previously added. To connect a new one, click the Connect a Domain button. HubSpot will guide you through the process step by step, entering your domain, verifying ownership, and updating your DNS settings with your domain provider. Take your time following the instructions. HubSpot also provides helpful tooltips and documentation if you ever feel stuck during the process. And that's it. You've successfully connected your domain to HubSpot. This integration allows you to fully leverage HubSpot's marketing, sales, and service tools under your own professional domain. If you need further assistance, feel free to explore HubSpot's Help Center or reach out to their support team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy HubSpotting!